Fenugreek seeds for hair, benefits, uses, and science-backed facts. Are fenugreek seeds good for your hair? Fenugreek, also known as methi, has been widely used as a natural remedy for hair-related concerns such as thinning hair, dandruff, and dry, itchy scalp. Many beauty experts and popular media outlets hail it as a secret to achieving thicker, shinier, and healthier hair. This article explores whether fenugreek seeds truly support hair and scalp health and shares the most effective ways to incorporate them into your hair care routine. What is fenugreek? Fenugreek, Trigonella greecum, is a small green, leafy herb native to Western Asia, Southern Europe, and the Mediterranean region. Both the leaves and the small golden brown seeds are valued for culinary and medicinal uses. For centuries, ancient Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine have utilized fenugreek for a variety of purposes, including supporting digestion, soothing skin irritation, promoting overall vitality, assisting in specific health conditions, such as labor induction in traditional practices. Modern research suggests fenugreek may also have positive effects on blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and waist circumference. The seeds and leaves have a distinct aroma and slightly bitter flavor, making them a staple in Indian, Middle Eastern, and North African cuisines. They are often added to curries, stews, spice blends, and herbal teas. How fenugreek seeds may encourage hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are naturally rich in iron and protein, two nutrients that play a critical role in supporting healthy hair growth. They also contain beneficial plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins, which are believed to promote hair development due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. While research is still limited, there is some promising evidence. A small 2006 study involving 53 participants found that those who took a daily 300 milligrams oral dose of fenugreek seed extract for 6 months reported significant improvements in hair volume and thickness compared with placebo group. In fact, over 80% of participants in the fenugreek group experienced visible hair improvements. Despite these encouraging results, more robust, long-term human studies are necessary to determine the exact role of fenugreek seeds in preventing or treating hair loss, especially when used alone rather than as part of multi-herb remedies. Summary. Preliminary evidence suggests fenugreek seeds may help increase hair growth and thickness, but further research is needed to confirm these benefits and identify the most effective methods of use. Fenugreek seeds and scalp health. For centuries, fenugreek has been used in traditional remedies to address dry, irritated skin, and dandruff, conditions that can contribute to temporary hair shedding. Dandruff can be triggered by a variety of factors, including excess oil production, fungal overgrowth, inflammation, and dry skin. Laboratory and animal studies show that fenugreek seeds possess anti-inflammatory, antifungal, moisturizing, and skin-soothing properties, which could potentially support a healthier scalp environment. In one small 6-week study, participants who applied a cream containing fenugreek extract experienced improved skin moisture and reduced redness. However, this cream was tested on facial skin rather than the scalp, so its direct effect on scalp health remains uncertain. While these findings are promising, more human research is needed to confirm whether fenugreek seed extract is effective for treating all forms of dandruff or scalp irritation. Summary. Topical application of fenugreek seed extract may help improve scalp hydration and reduce irritation, potentially creating a healthier environment for hair growth. However, its effectiveness can vary, and further studies are required to fully understand its role in scalp care. Other factors that influence hair growth. While fenugreek seeds may offer benefits for hair health, their effectiveness can be limited if other underlying causes of hair loss are not addressed. Common contributing factors include poor nutrition, high stress levels, hormonal changes, and genetic predisposition. If you are unsure why you are experiencing hair thinning or loss, consulting a qualified healthcare professional can help identify and address the root causes. Nutrition and hair health. A balanced diet is essential for supporting healthy hair growth. Deficiencies in certain nutrients, such as protein, essential fatty acids, iron, and zinc, can significantly impact hair strength and density. Key nutrients for healthy hair include protein, found in meat, poultry, fish, dairy, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Healthy fats, sourced from nuts, seeds, oily fish, and plant-based oils. Iron, available in red meat, spinach, legumes, tofu, seeds, and dark chocolate. Zinc, found in meat, shellfish, nuts, legumes, and cheese. While it's best to meet your nutrient needs through whole foods, supplements may be necessary for some individuals. However, excessive intake of certain nutrients can worsen hair loss, so it is important to seek guidance from a healthcare provider before beginning supplementation. Stress and lifestyle factors. Stress, whether emotional, physical, or related to daily habits, can weaken hair follicles and contribute to shedding. Tight hairstyles, frequent use of harsh chemical treatments, and prolonged stress can accelerate hair loss. Elevated levels of the stress hormone cortisol have been linked to weakened hair follicles. Additionally, oxidative stress, caused by excess free radicals, can damage hair cells, promote inflammation, and accelerate both hair loss and graying. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and green tea, can help protect against free radical damage. Incorporating stress-reducing practices like meditation, exercise, and adequate sleep can also support hair growth and overall wellness. Genetic factors. Some forms of hair thinning, such as androgenetic alopecia, are hereditary and influenced by genetic expression or hormonal changes. Currently, there is no evidence that fenugreek seeds can reverse genetically driven hair loss, but maintaining scalp health and overall nutrition may still help slow its progression. How to use fenugreek seeds for hair. While fenugreek seeds have long been used in traditional remedies, scientific evidence supporting their effectiveness for hair growth is still limited. Current research does not clearly establish whether oral supplements or topical applications offer the most benefit for hair health. Oral supplements. Fenugreek seed supplements are available in powder form or as concentrated liquid extracts. While there is no universally recommended dosage, some studies have used up to 1,200 milligrams of seed powder or 300 milligrams of extract per day. Fenugreek is generally recognized as safe by the U.S. FDA when used as a flavoring. However, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or allergic to peanuts, chickpeas, or other legumes, you should avoid fenugreek. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before adding supplements to your routine to ensure safety and proper dosage. Topical application. For a natural at-home treatment, soak a few tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water for several hours or overnight until a gel-like consistency forms. Grind the soaked seeds into a smooth paste, then apply directly to your scalp and hair. For added nourishment, mix the paste with coconut oil, yogurt, honey, or milk to create a hair mask. Leave the treatment on for at least 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with warm water and cleansing with a gentle shampoo. This method may help hydrate the scalp, reduce dryness, and create a healthier environment for hair growth. Summary. Fenugreek seeds can be consumed as dietary supplements or applied topically as a hair mask. While research remains limited, some studies suggest they may help improve hair strength, scalp hydration, and overall hair quality. The bottom line, fenugreek seeds are a popular natural remedy for hair loss and dandruff, offering potential benefits for scalp health and hair thickness. However, scientific evidence is still emerging, and results may vary from person to person. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or treatment is the safest approach. Call to action. For more trusted science-backed health insights just like this, subscribe to the HeInfo channel, your all-in-one destination for accurate, reliable, and expert-reviewed health information.